Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Tilopay Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app integrates the Tilopay payment gateway into the Odoo, enabling secure and seamless online transactions. Designed for businesses operating in Spain and Latin America. This module supports multiple payment methods while ensuring compliance with industry security standard. With the real-time transaction processing and easy reconciliation, it streamlines payment management and enhances the customer checkout experience. So, first of all, we will go into the website module. Here, under configuration, we will find a menu for payment provider. Open that and here you will find the payment provider name, Tilopay. Enable the state of that payment provider and under credentials, enter your credentials such as Tilopay API key, Tilo username and Tilo password. And here under the messages tab, you will find the messages for help message, pending message, done message and cancel message. You can update it according to your company. Now we will go into the home page, we will go into the shop and we will add product to the cart. Here click on add to cart and proceed to checkout. Here you can see the product into the cart. Now click on checkout and here you can see a delivery method is standard delivery. After that, click on confirm. You can choose a payment method. Choose Tilopay. Now click on pay now. Here you can see that you will be redirected to the page for the payment. Here you can see the total amount. Now fill an email here and here you can see the email is done. Now add your card details in here. Add your card number, your expiration date and your CVV. After that, click on pay. Here you can see that your payment is processing. Here, after your payment is processed, you will be redirected to the successfully payment done page. Here you can see the order number and the payment information. Now, under configuration, we will go into the menu payment transaction. Here you can see the payment transaction we just created. Here you can see the payment, amount, payment method, payment provider and all the other information. You can also see that this transaction is in confirmed state. Here you can see the sale order also created from this transaction. You can see the sale order number, the product lines and everything. Here you can see the information in the log. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.